Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joche and I'm your go-to girl for all things real. Today I'm here with my cousin Zanae and we have a wig to unbox and install. This wig came from Amazon. It is by Unice hair and I'm gonna also link it down in the description box of this video. So this is the 10A fake scalp wig, human hair straight wig for black women, Brazilian virgin hair. The length was 18 inches and it's a 150% density. Right now it's on their site for $127.80. So it came in a box that was just like this. So the wig came in the package, it looks like this. It's like they put something in it to keep it from getting flat. It came with this card and it has a coupon code for 10% off my next purchase. It came with a headband. That's cute. And a wig cap. I've been seeing this wig cap in every video of like anybody's wig review. They always have this wig cap. And that's it. There's nothing else in the box. So this is what it looks like. Straight out the pack. It fell on the floor. This is what it looks like. It's soft. Inside the wig, it has 3 combs. Two of them are near the top, but on the left and the right. And then there's one in the bottom. And then there's also an adjustable strap. It smells, I don't know, it smells like new hair. But then it kind of also smells like they tried to put something on it too. But it's really soft. Yeah, it's super soft. It doesn't really look like they did much plucking to it. Like I can see a little bit of something right here towards this middle part. It's thinner right there. But it probably is going to need a little plucking. That's what the part looks like. So I got this one because it's supposed to be beginner friendly. I'm a beginner, y'all. She's not. I am. So like it's a middle part wig. I'm gonna take this wig off and plop this on my head. I thought it was gonna have lace to cut, but it don't.
Yeah, but it don't.
It don't have no lace. So I don't know. Is it supposed to have lace?
Some wigs don't have lace.
Okay. So this one didn't have any lace. So this is supposed to be like a glueless pop and go. You might not have to do nothing.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, cool. I'll take this one off. She came because I didn't know. I didn't know what it was going to look like, you know. Yeah. Ooh, my head was hot under that other wig. I feel relief taking that first wig off. I made you come over to help and just be putting it on.
Well, at least I got to see you.
That too. So, yeah. Okay, so that's this. I don't think I have a big head, but it fits good. I mean, let's see. We can make this part look a little more natural. This is how it looks on. Oh, I did knock the earring off. I mean, probably to straighten it out. Soft. It's really soft. Like they washed it first, right? I don't know. It's like the color. This is like a natural brown. It's not like a 1B. It's a pretty wig. Look like they layered it. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I mean, it is a middle part. It has the scalp in there for me. I'm gonna put that concealer in there.
Yeah, and pluck it.
So it looks like that. I mean, that's how it would look if it was all the way on my forehead. I think it looked good. Push it back a little. Take that comb out. And then I'm just gonna like try to shift it to see like does it look better as a side part. I already know it's a middle part, but I'm just trying to give y'all the option. So like this is how it looks. Left part. This is the left part. Which is giving me like an Aaliyah vibe. And then I can move it again. And it'll give me this right part type look. Ooh. And I mean, it looks better, I think, parted to the left. or in the middle. And then there's the natural hairline. I'm scooting in so y'all can see. I don't know. This is definitely a beginner-friendly unit. Like, if you don't know anything about wigs, like I don't, then this will probably be good for you because you don't have to do much.
Yeah, just do a little plucking.
So, I'm going to let her work her pluck magic, and then we'll come back with an updated clip. And, yeah, I mean, we'll be good to go. See y'all in the next clip. So this is what the unit is looking like after plucking it, thanks to my cousin. I think it looks really good after plucking. We did not even straighten it or do anything else to it. We had some fun outside, took some pictures, just so y'all can see what it looks like. I will come back with an update after actually wearing the unit and styling the unit for wear, but this is just like an initial review of this hair. And right off the bat, I would say if you are a beginner like I am, this is a good unit for you. If you're not looking for a lot of customizing to do, this is the unit for you. Also, if you're looking for something that you can throw and go, but you're not really into like those headband wigs or those wigs that have like the built-in stuff, like a hat or something, then this would be good for you. All you have to do is just do a little bit of plucking to kind of widen the part, make it look a little less noticeable, and you're good to go. But this is just what it's looking like straight out the pack. No straightening, no color. We didn't wash it. Just put it on the head. So the whole purpose of me coming at you guys today with this one is just to show you all a very cute and affordable human hair beginner friendly unit. So I really recommend it. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And this is the Unice 18-inch glueless middle part wig. So thank you all for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.